you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl So Foxy, and if you're new here, hey girl, hey. Today we have ourselves another wig install, and look at our baby. She is giving, okay? But before we jump into that wig install, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's just jump right into it. Now this unit is from Outre. This is a part of their melted hairline series, and I had the style Amelia in the color number 2. I was kind enough to receive my unit from Divatress, and this is what our girl is looking like. Standard 2 combs to the side, a comb to the back with an elastic band. Now, like I mentioned, she is 22 inches. She is in the color number 2, and the texture of this unit is a light yaki feel, which is one of my favorites. So I was super excited to try this unit out. Now, first things first, this unit is very big head friendly, so we have a lot of lace. So I'm using my eyebrow razor to cut that excess lace off because I need my unit to be nice and secure on my head. And in order for us to do that, we have to make sure the extra lace is gone. Now that our unit is fitting and snug, and now I'm gonna go in and cut the lace around the perimeter of my hairline. Using that same eyebrow razor, now we're just going to cut the rest of the lace off. Now going in with some tweezers, I am just trying to open up my part a little bit. Now the part is visible and you can see it, but being that it is a side part and I'm going to add a bit of curve to mine, I just wanted to make sure that the front of that part was just a bit open. So that's what you guys see me doing now. Now keep in mind, I am tweezing before I glue this unit onto my head. I know some people like to tweeze their units after, but in my opinion, the way I tweeze, and maybe as hard as I tweeze, girl, I be tugging on my unit to the point that I could take the chance of lifting up my lace, and I am not doing that. So in my opinion, tweeze before you glue. And now I'm going in with my wig glue, and as you guys can see, just at the perimeter of my baby hairs. I'm not putting anything on my hairs. I have enough forehead space that I can do what I'm doing right now. Now just using my eyebrow razor to thin that glue out. I am only doing a layer. I still have not been to the beauty supply store. So if you've been watching my videos, I think we are about maybe 2 or 3 installs in. Girl, why did I not get my Eben black spray yet? I am tripping. I do not like using wig glue. I just feel like I'm taking a chance on my edges. But for the video, for the slay, girl, we gonna do it. Now I'm just fanning that out. Like I mentioned, this is just one layer. I am not doing no more than that, and we are good to go. I have no patience because I was on my way out. So I probably waited about 2 to 3 minutes, hence why you can still see glue, but mind your business. Wait until yours dries clear. Don't copy what I do. Now I'm just putting the unit on that glue, and I am just pressing that into my hairline. Using some Got To Be hairspray, I am just going over what we just secured with the wig glue, just to ensure that my wig is going to be nice and secured. Now, I do not like Got To Be spray either. So apparently I'm using everything in this video that I don't like, because I really don't like wig glue and I really don't like Got To Be spray. I would really rather just use my Eben spray. So if you have that, use that instead. Got To Be sometimes gives a white cast, and I hate that. But for the video, girl, we had to make it do with what we got. So I am just parting out some hair by my ears because those are going to be baby hairs, and now I'm just securing that with a scarf. I waited for about 5 to 10 minutes, I believe, And now just taking our scarf off, our hairline is nice and melted. Look at me, so impulsive, girl. I wanted to do baby hair so bad, but I was like, you know what? I always do that. Let me see if we can keep it as natural as possible. So I went ahead and focused on the baby hair by my ear, because I'm like, if I'm gonna do any baby hairs, let's do the one right here. Using my eyebrow razor, cutting that hair down, and now I'm using some Got2b gel. This is my favorite gel to do my baby hairs with. I feel like my baby hairs are nice and secured without being too hard and without any residue. Definitely a fave for sure. And look at our hairline. It is nice and melted. Using this wax stick that I got from my girl Melissa. Hey girl, thank you. And I am putting that all over the hair. Now I kind of fucked up on this part. Ooh, excuse my language, I'm sorry. I kind of messed up on this part, because being that this unit had a feathered bang, putting that wax stick, I feel like kind of brought my bang down a little bit. Now don't get it twisted, I'm still gonna look real cute in the end and feather my bang out a little bit, but I felt like she would have been fuller if I did not do that. So if you are installing this unit, try not to put any wax stick on your bang, maybe just on the top of your head to mold, but that is about it. And as you guys can see, I could not even help myself. I definitely went in and still did some baby hairs, but hear me out. I did not do them dramatic. Do you see what they look like? They look like real airy, wispy, like it's not a lot. And I honestly don't even know why I did it on the other side, because nobody's gonna see that. But yeah, that was pretty much it for this install, girl. If I had to rate this unit on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give baby girl a solid 9.5. And the reason she's not getting a solid 10 was because this was the first day, and I'm not gonna lie, your girl was tangling a bit. I don't know if it's the texture or what, but it was irritating me. But for the side part, the bang, the whole style, the easiness of the install, she gets a 9.5 from me for sure. Look at her. Probably top 3, one of my favorite units of 2023. I am not even joking. Shout outs to Diva Trez. I'm so grateful. But that was it for today's video, you guys. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram, TikTok, and your girl is also on Facebook. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Adios.